Good evening, YouTube. Just got done working a very long week, 24 plus hours, and it's time to relax. A little rainy outside, so we're gonna relax in the garage and work on some mods that came in. Let's check out the car. And for all you who don't think that I watch YouTube daily, ask my wife. We got Growl's Garage going on. Get my beer. And RT Life. They're getting to get together. So while watching, I'm gonna sit here and we're gonna see what mod came in. We got the Hellcat Burnbox. So let's open this up. Been waiting on this. Ordered it only a week ago, but didn't take long at all. We'll open that up here. See what we got. See if I can get this thing mounted. Alright. Haven't even opened it and seen what's all in there. And I haven't debated if I'm going to plug this in my front ODB or my back ODB. I might do the bypass and throw it in the back. Some papers. But very, very simple mod, but can't wait to use it in this car. There you go. It says Burnbox. Awesome. And you also have capability of plugging it into a USB. Then you can upload different kind of tunes, different things. So it's kind of similar to what I already have, but this has a little bit more capability. The main capability that I need is the line lock feature, which will be great for burnouts and when I'm at the drag strip. So there you are. There's a Burnbox. Also in the box is my USB cable and Zautomotive sticker for my windshield if I want to put it on, since 2001. And let's see here. And basically an important thank you card. Let me know I bought this. Nothing else. There's no actual instructions on here, but that, you know, that's not a biggie. YouTube has everything if you haven't already noticed that. So we are going to look at YouTube, watch some videos, and I'm going to play around with it, and I'm going to make some more videos. There you go. That's the Burnbox. That's the inside of this beast. More modifications are coming. Just thought I'd post this video also. Some people thought I had a Whipple supercharger in there. Not yet, but maybe soon. We shall see. Let's see if I can get a little bit of light in here. So there you go. So there's my supercharger pulleys, B Woody idler, my 4 fuel system lines. I run E85. My favorite, the LMI intake. Sounds awesome in this car. There you go, there's my 4. Fuel filter, more fuel lines. Then I've got things running underneath my car and back of the car for the exhaust, you name it. But this is just going to be a quick short video. More videos to come. And there you go. I'm going to continue watching this, play around with the Burnbox, and then I'll show you some videos of the things I find out. Keep on watching, subscribing. Sorry my videos have been a little bit short lately, but we will have some more videos. Big shutdown week is over, so now it's time to have fun and play. Thanks again, and have a great day. Like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video.